To update Google Chrome on your Windows computer, you are going to come up to the far right corner of your Chrome screen and click the three dots. Then you will come down to Settings, and at the far left you'll click About Chrome. Sometimes when you click to see if Chrome is up to date, it will be, and if that's the case, you are done and good to go as far as Chrome updates. But sometimes when you click About Chrome, you will see here that Chrome either needs an update and you might have to click to start it off, or you might find, like my browser, that Chrome is already updating. The update can take several minutes depending on how far behind your computer is and how good your wireless connection is. Once the browser is up to date, it will give you a relaunch button. Simply click that. Your browser will open again. It will briefly double check that Chrome is up to date. And once it is up to date, you are good to go.